Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Only for Automation. So in the previous video, we discussed about Python, what is Python and why Python, and instructions to install the Python in your system. In this video, we'll discuss about how to install the Python and which IDE and install Java and Eclipse if it is required. And we'll install Pydev, and in the last, we'll discuss some Pydev tips. So Pydev is nothing but a IDE to execute or to run your Python script. So first, go with the install Python. Go to the open a browser and just type Python installation. Hit enter. Click on download Python. Based on your operating system, it will give you the link. Like it is latest version for Windows. If you are working on the Mac OS, then it will give you download link for Mac. And if you want to download the operating system for different Windows, then you just need to select Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and some others operating system. So you just need to click on download Python. It's the latest version, so download is started. It's like already downloaded, so I just cancel it. It's a exe file, so I will show you. It's a exe file. It is already downloaded in my system. Just double click on it. Okay, a pop-up is like in this. You just need to click on next button, but it is like already installed, so I don't need to select anything. It is very straightforward. You just need to click next, and then there will be a button finish. Then it will be installed automatically. Just cancel. Okay. The next, which IDE? IDE means you already know integration development environment. So we have multiple IDE like Pydev and the Eclipse and PyCharm. PyCharm is the most popular IDE for Python, and also I will show you Eclipse. And there are list of IDE you can find in the Google. Like if you search Python IDE, then and now install Java and Eclipse. So to install the Java, you just need to. Actually, in my system, I'm working on OpenJDK, so I just type install OpenJDK 17. Actually, my Eclipse is not supporting under 17 version, so that's why I have to install the 17. Just click on it. How to install JDK on Windows. OpenJDK. There should be a link. Okay, it's a Microsoft website. Install on Windows. So just you need to click over here. This is OpenJDK 17. And I'm going to download a zip file for Windows 64. Okay, this is downloaded, started. And Eclipse, to install the Eclipse, you just need to search the Eclipse. Eclipse don't need to install, it is just need to be there. Means it should be in your system. It will directly execute with your, and it will integrate with your Java. It is almost done. Okay, it is done. Just unzip the file. taking much time, don't know why. As I said, my Eclipse is updated, so it's a version of 2023-03. So it says like a version 15 of the JVM is not suitable for this product. So version 17 or greater than should be required. So it is unzipped. Just need to go to the bin folder and just copy the path. It's in download. And here now you will have to set the configuration or system path of the user. So to install this, just go to this configure the Java. Go to C tab. I don't need to go to C tab. Just click on this PC. Right click and properties. Just install. Go to the advanced system settings. Okay, you will see environment variables. Click on it. Here need to set that path variables. So and this Java home. So there is a Java home. So here you need to paste it over there. Go to path. It's a Java home and bin already set, so you don't need to do anything. Just click on OK and OK. It is, I guess it should be configured now. So to check it is properly configured or not, just go to command prompt and check the version of the Java version. So it's properly configured. OpenJDK version 17. Okay, so now the Eclipse should be open. Okay, and the version 17. It should be changed. So to configure this, yeah, it's still facing this issue. So to configure this, go to your C drive. And go to program files and find out the Java folder. It's a JDK 15, so you'll have to paste your path of the Java. It should be in download folder. This one just to control X. Go to C drive. Programs files in the Java. Just paste it. Okay. So JDK 15 is no longer usable, so just delete it. Okay. Now you'll have to change the path also in the advanced variable. Go to this PC, right click, properties, advanced system settings, enter your username and password, environment variable and just need to change the Java home. It is done. Now again change the version of the Java. Restart the command prompt. Java -version. It's working. Again try to launch Java version JVM developed. It must be available in under run Eclipse. No Java virtual machine was found. Following locations. What was the location? It's Java JDK 15. So it's in configuration path. So you just need to go to the configuration part. Open file location. configure.ini. Go back to the Eclipse folder and this file eclipse.ini. So here you just need to update this one. Okay, you have to pass the path only. Program files and in the Java. Okay. Should be bin. Okay, it's still bin. Here you need to paste and let's save it. Now again try to launch. Okay, it's working now. So these kind of problems you also can face. So if you face these type of issues, then you can resolve like this. Now our next topic is we have installed Java and Eclipse. Now we will install Pydev. So to install the Pydev, just go to browser. Here, install Pydev. Click on it, install Pydev. All instructions you can find step by step. So to install the Pydev with your Eclipse, you just need to go to the install new software. Then need to enter this path. This is Pydev and update it. So here you can get the latest version of Pydev for Eclipse. Let's try. Open Eclipse and here go to help. It is getting hanged. Just give me a second. It is not responding. Don't know why. Okay. Go to help. There is a install new software. Okay, here you need to pass that path. Just copy it from here and enter. It will automatically search the. Okay, you can see the Pydev. So it is already installed, so there is no option to install. So if you are working on it, you can install like this. It will automatically install and integrate with your Eclipse. Okay, Pydev tips. To create the Pydev project, just go to File and open Project, New Project. This is a Pydev project. Select the Pydev project. Pydev name, project name, test demo, and the same interpreter. You can also select the different version of the interpreter. So I'm not selecting anything, and it's a grammar version. Interpreter you have to select. So like current is Python. In the first time you will not find the interpreter, so you will have to configure from here. Create using Pydev. Okay, so here you need to select the Pydev path, the python.exe. This is the path where Pydev is installed in my system. You will have to find in your system and just paste this python.exe here and just click on create pipe environment interpreter and just click on finish. Test demo is created. Now the Python project is created. So in the next video I will show you how to create a script. It is very simple. And also in the next video I will show you how PyCharm will work with Pydev. So thank you.